vlog. We're out here in Utah at Scrapefest. The Superstar booth's been going crazy. Sold out, small and medium. Before they even drop, sold out. Dropping soon. Graphics crazy. Lineup's crazy. This is tough too. Hard, bro. The dad accessories are tough, bro. I need to make something tough of mine, bro. Bar. What's up, my boy? I'm gonna end up like the red. Hey, this shit's hard as fuck. This shit's hard as fuck too, bro. No, you're good, bro. What the f? Dude, there's hard whips out here. Nah, the homies whip right here is crazy tough. This is the car I was in the other night. So hard. That homie Graveyard from Seattle. Tough. I seen this guy on the freeway. That is super tough, low key. Bro, I need a green car, but that shit won't be on GMRs. Well, LS 30. Nismo 400. Bro, I hate how these cars are like only automatic. Dude, there's hella heads out here. Hey, this is hard right here. On the red wheels. Here's that boy, that's Henry. Got Superstar play on. That's wet. Wet. Close to yellow, but not quite. Dude, there's hella people outside. That purple truck is wet. I've never seen these wheels before. Nah, this purple truck's fire, bro. Nah, this WX is fire too, bro. Bro, there's hella heads out here, bro. This wheel's on is fire. This wet, bro. The work equip 05s are crazy, bro. That's wet, bro. Bro, there's hella cars out here. This wrap's low-key pretty cool. It's hella fucking glittery. This is what is fuck. Hey, this shit's crazy, huh? This shit's crazy, huh? Bro, how's this fool even drive?
He almost got stuck like where Trey is at.
Bro, I saw a video of him like driving yesterday. I was like, fuck. Bro, everyone's watching the two-step.
Yeah.
There's hella heads. Right here, this is hard, bro. All the Cali boys outside right now. Except all my homies, bro. Where the fuck y'all at, bro? SMH, bro. But shout out the other Cali boys that popped out.
Bitch, I'm steady work. All my wrist is broken.
Yo, what's good, vlog? Shout out everybody in Utah. Y'all went crazy. Appreciate all the support. Probably will be coming back next year, so I'll be bringing more women's shirts because they sold out like super fast, and drop coming soon. And yeah, tap in with the brand, superstargarage.com.